It's a lovely sunny day. Birds are singing, the sun is out, so it's time for a barbecue. One thing I love on barbecue is a kebab. But let's talk about a balloon kebab instead. So you may have seen this trick before, where I put a wooden skewer through a balloon. So when you skewer the balloon, aim to go in near where you tied it off. Give it a little twist. Twist, and you aim for the apex of the balloon where it's a little bit darker up there. Because those are the bits of the balloon that are least inflated, and so a grip around the balloon. So you can see you've got a fully skewered balloon. So if we look at the areas of the balloon that are not fully stretched, the polymer molecules are still quite loose, so the skewer can pass through them fairly easily and not pop the balloon, as the molecules around it will form a tight seal against the skewer. But the areas around the side of the balloon that are fully stretched, if you think of the polymer molecules being fully stretched like that, there's no room in between for the skewer to go through. So instead, it pops it and just ruptures, and that's why the balloon can burst.